Alright, so non-fungible tokens. Is this a fad or the dawn of a new era? Supposedly, NFTs are solely of interest to crypto experts, who else would spend tens of thousands of pounds on a virtual asset in a computer game. Because there is no such thing as a digital original, in the digital world, tokenizing digital works makes perfect sense. For physical works, there is only one original piece of art, which can always be recognized from copies. By definition, digital creations are readily replicable, and copies always match the original in terms of visual similarity. People have been trying to address this issue with digital rights management, or DRM, for decades, without experiencing any huge success. For the first time ever, digital originals may be produced and exchanged using NFTs. Even if tokenizing a piece of art as an NFT cannot be prohibited, the existence of many copies of the artwork on the internet, it may nevertheless guarantee that there is only one original and that is allocated to a single individual. And the exciting part about NFTs is the fact that the use of NFTs is not restricted to virtual environment. Everything in the real world, the physical world out there that may be tokenized can be, either as fungible tokens where one thing is split into many smaller ones, or as a non-fungible tokens where one thing is divided into several distinctive ones of the same type. Either way is only precisely one token for a certain asset, or where an asset is parceled into several different tokens. With so many new crypto startups in the works, it should come as no surprise that many of them are focused on tokenizing high value assets or rarities. This includes anything from football tickets to concerts at stadiums to real estate to vintage automobiles to anything else. Alright, so that was it for this lecture, and now on to the next one.